In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly fix this error code 524 that is occurred on Roblox, which is a join error. It says not authorized to join this game, error code 524, and you see this leave button. Here's how you can quickly resolve this. First of all, just head over to the roblox.com, and from here, just go to the top right hand corner and click on the settings and click on the settings again. And here it says privacy and content maturity. Just go ahead and click on that. And from here, we choose visibility in private servers. Select the private servers. So this is the kind of leniency and restrictions. The more restrictions you put, the more errors you get. So it's already set to friends, but if yours is set to no one or something like that, it might show you this error. So changing it to everyone should resolve this problem. So after that, just go back and the visibility, just click on that as well. And online status and current experience should be set to everyone as well. And also when we go one step back or a couple of steps back, under the privacy and restrictions, we have content maturity as well. So make sure to change it according to your requirements and try different settings that will work for you. And finally, you should be able to resolve this 524 error. And after that, just go to the home tab and you can simply now pick any game without getting this error. Let's try this. We click on play. You can open it in application as well. And now as you can see, we can simply play it without getting any error. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.